The U.S. is reporting another staggering milestone in the COVID-19 pandemic. Over 53 million Americans have been infected. Omicron is now the dominant strain, spreading faster than any previous variant. The Centers for Disease Control is facing backlash after reducing isolation times for positive, asymptomatic patients from 10 to 5 days.
I wish the CDC had also added in getting a negative test before ending isolation.
Complicating the situation, a new study from the Food and Drug Administration found at-home COVID-19 tests are less sensitive in detecting the Omicron strain. So many people who get negative results may actually be positive.
But it's still picking up quite a bit of infection. But what we would reiterate is that if you have a negative antigen test and you have symptoms, then you should go ahead and get that PCR test.
The at-home kits are in high demand as drive-through sites across the country run out of rapid and PCR tests at this critical holiday time.
We came because we were a family gathering for Christmas, and one was very concerned that he had it.
Healthcare experts are encouraging Americans to reconsider New Year's Eve celebrations as medical systems struggle to keep up with the post-Christmas spread.
We are really short-staffed right now. Over the holidays, we work with a skeleton crew as it is. And then on top of that, many of our healthcare workers are actually out sick themselves with Omicron.
New York City continues to go dark. The Nutcracker Ballet is the latest to cancel all performances. Broadway star Hugh Jackman has tested positive for COVID-19. But the city's school district, the nation's largest, says students will return to classes next week, while promising greater access to those at-home tests.
We need to keep schools open. There are really high prices that we pay as a society when children are not in school.
The controversial decision comes as pediatric hospitalizations for COVID-19 are skyrocketing in New York and increasing twice as fast as adult hospitalizations across the country. Jennifer Johnson, Global News, Washington.